Chevrolet begins building the 1957 Bel Air during America's celebrated automotive era. Steel sheets enter the body department, where workers prepare them for forming. Massive presses transform flat steel. They become precisely shaped Chevrolet body panels. Repeated stamping cycles create matching panels, required for high-volume automobile production. Workers align the stamped sections before joining them into a rigid body structure. Resistance welding secures the steel panels into a strong and accurately aligned body shell. Resistance welding secures the steel. The growing body moves forward while workers continuously verify its structural alignment. Additional structural pieces strengthen the body before it leaves the assembly department. Inspectors examine critical body dimensions before the shell proceeds toward finishing. The completed steel shell leaves body assembly and enters preparation for its final finish.